This 2023 Entegra Coach Accolade XT 35L is a Super CRV. It is located in Pasco, Washington, 99301 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Pasco. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Entegra coach is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, Slideout, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Super C features bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2023 Entegra Coach Accolade XT 35L is built on a Ford F600 4x4 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.